What is resistance? Basically, whenever charges flow from one point to another point within a conductor, meaning that the flow of charges correspond to the flow of current, the conductor's ability to oppose or resist that current is what we call resistance. Essentially, we can also define resistance as the property that as it increases, the current flow through the conductor decreases. For example, according to the Ohm's law, which states that voltage equals current times resistance. If we rearrange to find resistance, it equals voltage divided by current. Therefore, resistance is always inversely proportional to the current. The higher the current per unit voltage, the lower the resistance and vice versa. Additionally, resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, because as the length increases, electrons collide more frequently with atoms, losing their energy and reducing current flow. Furthermore, resistance is inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area of the conductor. As the area increases, the space between atoms becomes larger, allowing electrons to flow more easily. Also, resistance depends upon the nature of the material, which we represent by resistivity. I hope you have understood this topic.